Hi, my lovely students. I'm here to teach you about division of fractions by whole numbers, okay? So we learned about multiplication for fractions in the last video, and I'm going to do some more questions, but today we're doing division. So division is a bit different. That's the way we do it. So 2/3 we have, for example, divided by 3, okay? So this one is a whole number, this one is a fraction. This is a proper fraction. The way we have to do the division, we write, pay attention, 2/3 times, we change the division to times, and we write 1/3, okay? And then we do our multiplication, which is before. 2 times 1, 3 times 3, which will be 2/9. Okay, I want to do another one. You know how we were always saying when we have a whole number, it's the same as if we say 1/4 divided by 2 is the same as when we say 1/4 divided by 2/1, right? Because remember, we were always saying there is an imaginary denominator. Remember, we were always saying that? So this is exactly the same as that, right? And then when we are going to do the division, we're going to, this one, the second one, goes upside down. Always the second one. So 1/4 times, instead of 2/1, we say 1/2. You see what happened here? This was imaginary 1, right? Instead of 3/1, we got 1/3. So you switch upside down. The fraction goes upside down. So you do 1 times 1, and the denominator will be 4 times 2. 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 2, 8. That's it. Okay, another one. We have 2/3 divided by 4. Think about our imaginary one, because if we have the whole number, it's exactly like we say, we can either say 4, or we can say 4/1, or 4/4 divided by 1, right? This is the same thing. So when we want to do division, you have to convert it to multiplication. That's the rule for division of fractions by whole number. So we say 2/3 times 1/4 equals, and then you do the simple, the way you used to do your division, multiplication. So we say 2 times 1, 3 times 4. When you're doing your multiplication, so you also have to remember to simplify. You can divide this by 2, you can divide this by 2. So that becomes 1, that becomes 2. Right? We always simplify. I didn't simplify this one and this one because I couldn't, but this one I can. So 1 times 1, 1, 3 times 2, 6. Maybe I should do one more question for you. Let's say we have Let me erase this one. Okay, so for example, we have 6/7 divided by 3. So I give the imaginary 1, then I have to convert my division to multiplication. So I say the first fraction stays the same, 6/7 stays the same, times, then this goes, the denominators goes on the top, the numerators goes in the denominators. So it will be 1/3. Then I do my multiplication the way I always do. 7 times 3. On the way, if I can simplify, I will simplify as well. Divided by 3. Divided by 3, that will be 2. This will be 1. Then I continue. 2 times 1, 2. 7 times 1, 7. So that will be my division of fractions by whole number. If there is any tricky questions that you cannot do, comment it below for me, and so I can answer your question. Or if you need to subscribe because you will forget to watch my videos, please do watch my videos over and over again. So you can, so this will be so familiar for you, okay? I'm gonna come back with the next video. See you soon.